Assalamu alaikum KG class. I hope you will be fine. It's our math subject and today we will learn about backward counting 15 to 1. Let's start reading with me students. This is 1 5 15 and the spelling of 15 is FIFTEEN 15. Now what's come before 15? 14 and the spelling of 14 is FOURTEEN 14. And what's come before 14? 13 THIRTEEN 13. This is 13. 12 TWELVE 12. This is 12. And what's come before 12? 11 ELEVEN 11. Now what's come before 11? 10 10 TEN 10. What's come before 10? 9. And the spelling of 9 is NINE 9. Now students, what's come before 9? 8 EIGHT 8. This is 8. 7 and the spelling of 7 is SEVEN 7. What's come before 7? 6 SIX 6. What's come before 6? 5 FIVE 5. Now what's come before 5? 4 FOUR 4. This is 4. What's come before 4? 3 THREE 3. This is 3. What's come before 3? 2 TWO 2. This is 2. And what's come before 2? 1 ONE 1. I hope students you understand how to do this work. Do practice of backward counting 15 to 1 when you done your practice work. So send your practice work picture on our WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.